Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa and I'm going to review the LG T1064HF ES5C 9kg top load washing machine. It comes in different classy colors with plenty of top-notch features. So let's move ahead and learn more about this machine. This machine comes with a 6-motion direct drive. 6-motion technology with 6 different types of motions: wave force, compressing, agitating, rubbing, rotating and swing, which are very similar to how clothes are washed by hand, which altogether cater to different washing needs. Essentially, depending on types of fabric and dirt level, clothes are washed, changing the motions. Inverter direct drive motor saves more power and makes your machine more durable. This machine also comes with a completely waterproof touch control panel. As practical and user-friendly this panel is, it gives a touch of sophistication to your house. With seamless and sleek design, the touch panel gives you maximum visibility with zero compromise. This machine is also equipped with the Spa Steam technology. It has an allergy care mechanism that tackles up to 99.9% of allergies and enzymes with optimum temperature control. The steam freshens your clothes in just about 20 minutes so that they are wrinkle and odor free. With conventional washing machines, you need to use your hands to shed off extra dirt and detergent. But this LG washing machine comes with the Jet Spray Plus hands-free technology. The revolutionary inbuilt Jet Spray Plus washes off dirt and excessive detergent with its powerful water spray without the use of hands. This in turn saves 70 liters of water and takes less than 39 minutes to clean the load. This machine has a very versatile program menu inspired by your real-life situations. For instance, normal mode automatically detects the wash load and cleans accordingly. With the quick wash mode, you can wash lightly soiled clothes under 2 kg in practically no time. With air dry and tub clean, you can easily sterilize your tub to prevent any kind of unpleasant smell. This machine works like a maverick and takes care of itself when it needs any kind of repair. With the smart diagnosis system, this machine troubleshoots and repairs itself with the help of your smartphone. If the problem is still unmanageable, then the machine detects it automatically, saving your time and trouble of explaining the problem. So friends, LG T1064HF ES5C 9kg top load washing machine gets 2 thumbs ups from me. It's extremely user-friendly, compact and powerful. Its advanced and easy to use features will make it your everyday partner in no time. And buying this machine on Flipkart is an irresistible deal because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come, join the Flipkart family. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.